it down, break it down. I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna get a new one.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I noticed it's been a little while since I last did an unboxing video. So, yay, hooray, we're going to be having an unboxing day. This one I'm really excited about, and I have something for you too, but we'll get to that soon. Let's see what's in the box. I'm just kidding, I knew it was this, but it's a really awesomeness. It is a tri-fold LED touchscreen makeup mirror. Yeah, you heard me. Ordered it off of Amazon from JerryBox store, and it was practically here the next day. It was awesome, fast shipping. Alright, well let's see what comes in the box and with it. Ew, instructions. These help a lot. They're so itty bitty tiny, how cute. Miniature. Let's see. Good thing my eyesight's still good up close. So it looks like this is the main mirror. Comes with a USB charger cord, and it looks like the base for the mirror. And this is really simple to put together. It's just a, of course I'll have trouble. Snap! Now let's see what this baby can do. Oh wait, there's one more thing in here. Oh. A little magnification mirror. These are not good for me personally, but I know a lot of people really like them, so it's a good thing. It's got little suction cuppies. Okay, after having it out of the box, it looks very sleek and modern, and I like it. And oh neat! It's super flexible too. Along with being compact and portable, it's super awesome for travel, or just if you're somebody that's on the go too. So the tri-folding side mirrors are awesome time savers, especially for me when I'm doing my hair, since they allow you to see easily from whatever angle that you need to be at, because they reflect into each other. So the best part about this is it rocks some super bright white LED lights that simulate natural daylight, and the daylight thing is crucial really when it comes to videoing, especially, and doing your makeup. Lights can be dimmed if you hold the power button down and hold it and it dims back up. So no more crooked ponytails or half-done makeup for this girl. Now, to power those lights, you have two choices. Back here, you have the cable, the USB cable that came with in the package, and or you can use 4 AA batteries, which are not included, but I love the option. This is definitely one of those had to have, glad I did, because I don't know how I ever would have gotten ready without it and makeup tools. Yeah, for sure. Now I have something for you. You thought I forgot, didn't ya? In the description is a link to the mirror and a 15% discount code valid until the end of 2018, courtesy of JerryBox. Thank you. So, if unboxings, DIY projects, beauty, fashion, and life hacks are kind of your thing, and you're new here, or maybe your mouse spontaneously broke last time, hey, it happens. Then consider subscribing and clicking the bell next to it so you'll know when I post new videos. Alright, well, thanks for watching everyone. If you liked the video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button. And yeah, if you have a must-have beauty, skincare, makeup tool, let me know about it in the comments. I'm always looking for new things like that. And alright, we'll see you next video. Alright.